So Akachuku, I'm going to put it here, okay? I'm going to share the screen so you will see the words. Akachuku kedu? Akachuku kedu ka imere? Akachuku kedu ka email? Come on, answer me. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Akachuku kedu ka email? Now unmute. Akachuku, unmute yourself. Can you unmute? Unmute. Akachuku, okay. Well, all right. Unmute yourself, Akachuku. Okay? Go ahead. Kedu ka email?
Odema.
No, don't say Odema. Say Adem Mma.
Adam Mma.
Ah,
Ah.
Adem Mma.
Adam Mma.
Okay, the only time you will tell me Odema is if I say, how is your mom doing? How is your dad doing? How is your sibling doing? How is your day going? Then you say, oh. That's the only time you say, oh. Oh means he, she, it. Okay? The ah is when I ask you, and it's you. And you say, ah, them, mma. Okay? Now, Akachuku, I'm going to share a screen. You promise you will sing a song, right, for us? Akachuku will sing a song for us. Akachuku, ready? So I will send the lyrics after Akachuku singing today. Somebody else will sing next week for us. Onye nwe anyị biko mere anyị bere mere gọzie anyị ka anyị wee gụọrọ gị egwu aṅụ ka anyị weghara gị egwu aṅụ. So it's Akachukwu ngwa gbalịa. Gbalịa means try. Akachukwu gịnị wụ gbalịa? Try. Akachukwu, when I say gbalịa, everybody listen up. Even though I'm talking to Akachukwu, I'm talking to everybody. Whenever you hear me say gbalịa, gbalịa, it means try, okay? It means to try. Akachukwu gịnị wụ try. Say gbalịa. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Gbalịa. Can you say gbalịa?
Gbalịa.
Yeah, there you go. Akachukwu kụọra onwe gị aka. Remember I said it last week. Kụọra onwe gị aka. Yes. Ngwa Akachukwu gụọrọ anyị egwu. Gụọ egwu. Gụọ egwu means sing a song. Gụọ egwu means sing a song. Ngwa.
Imela.
Go on. I got you. Go on. You're doing right. Come on.
Imela okaka. Imela ochineke. Imela.
Yeah. Oh. I got you. Koro. Yes. Good. Now, Akachukwu mere ofuma. So, I want a volunteer who will sing next week. Igbo song. You don't have to sing this one. You see, Akachukwu sang a song, Igbo song. I need somebody to learn one Igbo song and sing next week. Who is going to do that? Is it Oluchi or Chinoso? Let me see. Okay, unmute yourself. Let me unmute everybody. So, Oluchi, is that you or Chinonso? Chinonso is it? Oluchi. Okay, Oluchi will sing next week. So you're going to sing one Igbo song for us next week. And Chiwetalu will sing the upper week. I see Chiwetalu say up. So Oluchi, next week, any Igbo song, okay? Chiwetalu, you sing the upper one. All right. Okay, Dalo, Akachukwu Dalo, you did very well. Okay, so Tata, I'm going to tell one person. We're going to review what we did last week. And remember, I gave you homework to do. And I told you to know all of them.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody don't talk, or else I'm gonna mute everybody now. So last week, I said you need to know all your phrases. And when I call your name, you're going to be looking at me. Ilewe manya, lebe manya, and then you answer all my questions. I will say it in English and you say it in Igbo because I told you to learn all of them. All of them today. Okay, so Oluchi, Oluchi mother, Oluchi. Oluchi, tell me the 8 vowels. How do you sound them? The A group. How do you say sound the A group of vowels, Oluchi? Oluchi. Oluchi, unmute yourself.
A, E,
Mm-hmm.
I,
Now, what is the O with a dot?
O,
Mm-hmm. The U with a dot. What is it?
U,
O. Can you
O,
say O? Okay, now the E group. How do you say it? How do you sound them?
E,
Go on.
I,
A.
E,
Uh-huh. The O.
O,
O.
O,
And then the other one is U. Now, I know a lot of you did your homework. You sent your alphabet pronunciations, which is good. So I am so happy. Most of you did, not everybody. Some of you are still did not receive that alphabet recording. But I am so proud of all of you that sent your homework. I am proud of you. Okay? Good job. Now, I'm going to be calling people one by one when I call your name, and then I'm going to ask you the word, and you tell me what it is. Okay? So, no excuse. All right? Angel Nwokoji. Angel, you never mute yourself.
Ndewo.
Ndewo, kedu ka email?
Adumma.
Daalụ. So, Angel, gịnị bụ listen? Angel, gịnị bụ listen?
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị bụ look at me? Come on, you don't know it. Tell me you don't know it. We need to go on. Gịnị
Amaghị
bụ
m ya.
look at me? Okay? Gịnị bụ I am here?
Ana m ebe a.
Gịnị bụ thank you?
Daalụ.
Daalụ. Say daalụ.
Daalụ.
Okay, gịnị bụ I don't know it.
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị bụ please.
Biko.
Gịnị bụ sorry.
Ndụ.
Gịnị bụ yes.
E.
Gịnị bụ no.
No.
Gịnị bụ no.
No.
Uh-huh. Angel, come on. You don't know it. Tell me you don't know it.
Yeah.
Okay, gịnị bụ ọ.
Ọ.
Gịnị bụ please say it again.
Kụ ya azụ. Biko kụ
Gịnị
ya
bụ
azụ.
clap for yourself.
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị bụ raise your hand.
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị bụ welcome.
Nu.
No.
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 Yes. So, Angel, you need to go back to review all that I told you to do, okay? All right, Angel. All right, Chimde. Chimde.
Yeah.
Oneba.
Chimney no.
Okay, Chimde. Okay, Chimde Genebo. Welcome.
No.
Genebo, yes.
Eh.
Genebo, no.
Mba.
Genebo, thank you.
Dalu.
Genebo, sorry.
Ndo.
Genebo, look at me.
Nemanya.
Lebemaya, okay, Genebo, listen.
Ganti.
Genebo, I have a question.
Bu ajụjụ.
Enwere m
Enwere
ajụjụ.
m ajụjụ.
Okay, Genebo, I am here.
Ana m ebe a.
Genebo, raise your hand.
Na-elakụ enu.
Welie aka gị elu.
Wee ya kele aka enu.
Genebo, please say it again.
Biko kụọ ya ọzọ.
Genebo, clap for yourself.
Kụọrụ m aka.
Kwọra onwe gị aka.
Kụọra onwe m aka.
Kwọra onwe gị aka.
Kụọra onwe gị aka.
Okay, Genebo, or.
What do you mean, O?
OR. What is OR? What is OR?
Magam.
Which is or?
Amagam.
Okay. No, all your phrases, okay? Dalo. Chinsonarim. Chimsonarim genebo or? Genebo or chinsonarim? No. What is OR? Chimsonarim lebe manya. What is OR? It's ma'obo. Chimsonarim, can you say ma'obo?
Ma'obo.
Yes. So all means ma'obo. Chimsonarim genebo, yes. Genebo, sorry.
Ndo.
Genebo, welcome.
Chedu.
No. Genebo, thank you.
Dalu.
Genebo, please.
Biko.
I don't know it.
Amagam ya.
I have a question.
Awere m ajụjụ.
Look at me.
Amagam ya.
Listen.
Genti.
Clap for yourself.
Amagam ya.
Please say it again.
Amagam ya.
Okay. Chimsonarim, make sure you go back and learn it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka. Okay. I need to see your video. Chukwuemeka Ohagu. I need to see the video. Okay. Chukwuemeka, again, clap for yourself.
Amagamia.
Wow, so beautiful.
Welcome.
No.
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 Okay. Genebo, Genebo, say it again.
Amagamia.
Genebo, welcome.
No. No.
Genebo, yes. Genebo, no.
Mba.
Genebo, come here. Genebo, come here.
Yeah.
Bieba. Genebo. Genebo, or?
Amagamia.
You did.
Genebo, Gante.
Listen.
All right. Okay, so make sure you go and learn all of them, okay? All right. Xavier. 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 Genebo, no.
Mba.
Xavier. Genebo, welcome.
No.
Genebo, yes. No.
Mba.
Please.
Biko.
Clap for yourself.
Amagami.
Clap for yourself, Xavier. Xavier, clap for yourself. So if I say clap yourself, you don't know what I'm saying. It means this. Yeah. Okay. Genebo, mommy. Genebo,
Mama.
what is it? Genebo, daddy.
Mama.
Daddy. What is that?
Papa.
Papa. Okay. Genebo, say it again.
Amagami.
Oh, no. Genebo, sorry.
No.
Xavier, Genebo, sorry. Come on, you know it.
No.
Ndo. Okay, Genebo, raise your hand.
Imperi.
Xavier, Genebo, raise your hand.
Imperi. Aka.
It's raise your hand. Welia akagi elu. That's what it is, okay? It means welia akagi elu. So next time, make sure you get it. Okay, Kate. Kate.
Sit up.
Kate. Kate. Lebe manya, Kate. Lebe manya. Okay, Kate. Genebo, listen.
Amagami.
Genebo, please.
Biko.
Genebo, yes. Genebo, no.
Mba.
Genebo, welcome.
Amagami.
Genebo, I don't know it.
Amagami.
Okay, Kate, darling. Now go back and learn all of them. I sent a video. Did you see the video? Did mommy let you watch the video? Okay, you need to go back and learn it again. You need to know all of them. So you'll be speaking it in the house, you and Xavier, okay? You promise me, Kate? Okay, darling. Zikora. Zikora. Zikora, Kedu? Zikora, cool. Okay. All right, Zikora. Zikora, Kedu ka email? Zikora, Kedu ka email? Zikora, lebe manya, look at me, look at me, look at me. Zikora, what is, listen. Genebo, listen. Zikora. Okay, now Zikora. Zikora, kpọọ mama gị, kpọọ mama gị. If you're never. Okay, now, because I want Zikora to learn all of them before next week. I sent a video. Did you see my video recording?
Yes, she's been practicing. I don't know why she's shy.
Okay, Zikora, you need to get it, okay? I'm going to call you after class. You need to get it. Unless if you want auntie, you want to spend your holiday with auntie, right? So
Yes.
if you don't want to come to my house and stay with me, you need to learn it with mommy, okay? Okay, Zikora, talk to me. Can you say okay?
Okay.
All right. Dalo. Dalo Zikora. Akachukwu. Akachukwu. Akachukwu ọ nọ ebe a? Akachukwu. Kedu? Now you need to unmute yourself. Akachukwu. Unmute yourself. Okay. Akachukwu kedu?
Alima.
Good. Akachukwu gene yes. Look at me. Don't look left and right. Look at the auntie. Lebem. Look at me. Akachukwu gene will listen.
Kenti.
Auntie, Akachukwu gene will clap for yourself. Gene kabu. Say it. Say it. Say it in Igbo.
Waka.
Kwara onwegi. Yourself means onwegi, okay? Can you say kwara onwegi aka?
Kwa amagi aka.
Make sure you go over it. Akachukwu, Genewo, sorry.
Ndo.
Genewo, welcome.
No.
Genewo, I am here.
Ano meba.
Daalụ. Genebo, welie aka elu. What is it in English? If I say welie aka elu, what did I say? Okay, say it. If I say raise your hand, what is it?
Walia kelu.
Good. Now make sure you know all of them, okay? Daalụ. Princess and Ziena. Princess and Ziena. Okay, Princess, gịnị wụ no?
No, bo. Welcome.
Okay, gịnị bụ? I don't know it.
Imagine.
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Imagine.
Okay, gịnị bụ? I am here.
Aham. No. Wait.
No. Gịnị bụ? I am here.
I am here, bo.
Princess, gịnị bụ? I am here.
No.
Ziena, gịnị bụ? I am here. Ziena, lebe m anya.
Look at me.
Okay. Gịnị wụ? Raise your hand.
Wele aka.
Welie aka gị elu. Okay. Gịnị bụ? I don't know it.
Imagine.
Gịnị bụ? Welcome.
No.
Gịnị bụ? Yes. Gịnị bụ? Sorry.
No.
Gịnị bụ? Sit down.
Imagine.
Gịnị bụ? Gịnị bụ? Come here.
Bia.
Bịa ebe a. Okay. Come here means bịa ebe a. Okay. Daalụ.
Bia.
Okay. Arinze. Arinze ọ nọ ebe a? Arinze ọ nọ ebe a? Arinze.
Yes.
Arinze. Gịnị bụ yes? Gịnị bụ mba? What is mba?
No.
Gịnị bụ listen? Gịnị bụ listen?
I don't know that one.
How do you say I don't know in Igbo? Don't speak English. Gịnị bụ I don't know? How do you say it? Okay, gịnị bụ listen to me. Okay. Uchechukwu Nibo. Uchechukwu, I need you to tell me the vowels. The vowels, Uche.
A, E, I,
No.
E.
Oh. No. Okay, Bidonishi. Start from the beginning. A,
A, E, I,
No, it's
E.
O. It's A, E, O. The A
A.
group.
E, O.
Now the E group.
I,
No,
E.
it's E. E in Igbo is E, not E, okay?
E,
Mm-hmm.
E, I.
No, it's E, O, U.
E, I, O, U.
Yeah, so you're supposed to know all of them. Did you record your alphabet and send to me?
Yes, but the audio is not working.
Okay. Genebu yes, Uchechukwu.
E.
Okay. All right. Olanna. I need you to tell me the vowels. Olanna, the vowels. You know what the vowels, Olanna? Come on, you know it. Come on. Give me the A group of vowels, Olanna. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I need to hear the A group of vowels. All on the A group of vowels. What are we waiting for here? Come on. All on now. Are you here? Did you want me to give me the A group of vowels? The A, A. I need to hear them. What is all on now waiting for? Okay. All Anna don't want to tell us that. All right, no problem. All right. So now we're going to use the time we left. The rest of you, if I didn't get to you to ask you a question, all Anna, I don't know why you're not talking. You don't know your vowels? Do you know your vowels? Okay. Mama go neba or papa. All Anna, mama ge on neba. Your mom there? Can you speak up? I can't hear you. Okay. Tell your mom to call me or your dad, okay? To call me today. Okay, I want to talk to them, all right? Okay. So the rest of you, I didn't get to ask questions. Next week, I will start with you. So don't think that, oh, yeah, I'm lucky. No, I'll ask you next week. Now, today, we're going to do numbers. We're going to do numbers today, okay? So pay attention. So this is the number. Ọnụọgụgụ. Numbers means ọnụọgụgụ. Igbo numbers means what? Ọnụọgụgụ. Igbo, okay? So, we have orogoro. Everybody listen. Princess and Ziena, no playing around. I need you two to sit up. Sit up, no lying down. Okay, so, everybody watch my mouth and see how I'm going to be pronouncing the numbers. You should know your numbers by now. So we're not going to waste time here. I can only teach you the whole numbers 1 to 10 and the whole numbers, okay? So orogoro is 0. Otu maọbụ ofu. Abụọ. Atọ. It's on the screen. Everybody look there. Orogoro is 0. Otu. Some people call it ofu. Abụọ. Some people say ebụọ. It's okay. Atọ. And some people will say eto. That is good. That is their dialect. No problem. Anọ maọbụ ịnọ. Ise. Isii. Asaa. You may hear esa. Asatọ maọbụ esato. Itenane. You can also hear itolu maọbụ itegete. 9 means itenane, itolu maọbụ itegete. You can say whichever one you like. Iri is 10. So now your job is to know 1 to 10. Okay? Make sure you know 1 to 10. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, maọbụ itenane, maọbụ itegete. Pick whichever one you like. Iri. Now, if you know 1 to 10, the next one will be plugging in. Now that you know 1 to 10, you're going to be Irina Otu. You start plugging in the numbers 1 to 9, okay? Then NA is the preposition in the middle. You use it to join the numbers, okay? Iri, which is 10. Don't forget 10. Iri, na, ofu. Iri, na, abụọ. Iri, na, atọ. Iri, na, anọ. Iri, na, ise. Iri, na, isii. And then you count Irina all the way to Irina itenane, which is 19. Now 20 is what? Iri abụọ. Now we're not going to count iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na atọ. No, It's your job to learn it. Now, all you do is just plug in the numbers. Okay? If you know this formula, you should be able to know everything. Now, when you get to iri abụọ, which is 20, iri abụọ is not iri na abụọ. Iri na abụọ is 12. Iri abụọ is 20. Everybody pay attention. So when you say, if you say here, iri abụọ, it means 20. Now, if you say iri na abụọ, it means 12. That is the difference. This one, 20. You don't have na in the middle. You see, 12, you have na. Do you see the difference? So, iri abụọ is 20. There's no na in the middle. Iri na abụọ is 12. Pay attention. Now, 30 is iri atọ. 40, iri anọ. That's why you need to know your numbers till 10. If you don't know atọ, you won't know how to say 30. So you need to know your numbers 1 to 10. You must know them. And then the rest of them is plugging in. Then if you know 10 is iri, 20 is iri abụọ, 30 iri atọ, 40 iri anọ. If you don't know your numbers 1 to 10, you will know how to say iri anọ. Okay, because anọ means 4, atọ means 30, 20 means iri abụọ. Now, if you don't know your numbers, if you don't know 8, you will know that 80 is iri asatọ, 90 iri itenaani. Now we head to 100. 100 is narị. So here, listen. Iri abụọ is 20. Iri na abụọ is 12. Not iri abụọ. 12 is iri na abụọ. Don't make the mistake and tell me that 20 is iri na abụọ. 30 is iri atọ. 40 iri anọ. 50 iri ise. 60 iri isii. 70 iri asaa. Okay? Now, 80 iri asatọ. Now, 81 iri asatọ na otu. It's the same thing you did when you say iri na otu, iri na abụọ, iri na atọ. The same way, all the whole numbers, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I say 51, you say iri ise na otu, 52, iri ise na abụọ. But if you follow the formula, you should be able to count your numbers. You should be able to answer anything. Okay? 100 is what? Narị. Narị. Not narị. Not narị. It's narị. Don't tell me narị. It's narị. Okay? Narị na otu. Narị na abụọ. Just the same way. Okay? The same way. That's why I said, learn your numbers what? 2, 10. Now, 100 is what? Nari. Pay attention because I'm going to ask question. Nari. Okay? 1,000 is what? Puku. 1,000. Puku. All right? Million. 1 million is what? Nde. Okay? Nde. Nde. Now, 1 billion is njeri. Njeri. 100 is nare. 1,000. Puku. 1 million. Nde. 1 billion. Njeri. Okay? Now, when you get there, you can, when you say 1 billion and 1. Njeri na otu. 1 billion and 2. Njeri na abụọ. The same way you will say 101 narị na otu, 105 narị na ise, 110 narị na iri. Okay, see how you count. Now, when you say you don't, it's uncountable. Something I go tag it on, but we leave that one. Now, I'm going to ask Jaden. Jaden on Eba. Jaden in Eba.
Ano
Jaden, you
mepa.
need to answer. Okay. Jaden, what did I say is 100?
Nari.
You see what I'm saying? Don't tell me nare. It's nare. Jaden. Can you say that?
Nari.
Genewu. 1,000, Jaden.
Mpuku.
Jaden, kwuo ọzọ.
Mpuku.
It's puku. Jaden, can you say puku?
Puku.
Puku. Chibuikem. Chibuikem genewu 1 billion. Chibuikem
Njeri.
genewu 1 billion.
Njeri.
Genewu 1 million.
Njeri.
No. 1 million.
Oh, in there.
Okay, dalo. Amara nwogu. Amara gene bụ 90.
90 bụ iri iteghete.
Iri iteghete. Dalo. Let me see. Chidiegwu. Chidiegwu gene bụ 19. 19. Gene bụ 19. Chidiegwu.
Iri na itoolu.
Iri na itoolu. Dalo. Chiamaka Ezugo. Gene bụ 120. Don't forget 100, then 20.
Amagima.
Okay, and so badro. Let me see who I'm gonna ask this now. Chinedu Obi. Chinedu. Chinedu on eba.
Ano eba.
Okay, Chinedu, Guinea with 20.
Oh.
I just finished saying it. You don't forget your whole numbers. Guinea with 20. Chukwuemeka Njoko. Guinea with 20. Chukwuemeka. Guinea with 20.
20 is Iri.
Don't say is. Guinea with is.
Yeah.
Bo.
Oh,
20
bo.
bo.
20 bo. Iri abo.
Guinea with 12.
Iri na abo.
Guinea with 121.
Nari. Iri abo na no.
121.
Iri. Sorry. Nari. 100. Iri abo na abo.
Kwuo ọzọ Chukwuemeka.
Okay. Nari. Iri abo na abo.
Nari na. You're missing preposition. Nari na. You see that? Nari na. Iri abụọ. You tried though. Ịgbalịrị. Na. Otu. Right? So Chukwuemeka ịgbalịrị. So make sure you put preposition when I ask question like this, okay? So
Okay.
if I say, gịnị bụ 1,000, 1,015, what will you say? Remember, when you're doing a contest, nobody will be writing it. So gịnị bụ 1,000, Chukwuemeka?
Njeri.
No. 1,000 is puku.
Puku.
Puku. Now, what is 1,051? It's 1,051. See it on the screen here. 1,051. How will you answer that question?
Puku na ise.
Come on. No, think, Chukwuemeka.
Okay.
Puku,
na iri ise.
Good.
Na
Good job.
otu.
Na otu. Oh, Chukwuemeka kọrọ onwe gị aka. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Ukuna. Irisena otu. There you go.
It's the
All right,
na
let
in
me
this
get
one.
another person. Dalu Chukwemeka. Wonderful. You
Dalu.
see, once you can put it together, it's good. You can do it. Chioma. Chioma Genebo. 71. Uche Chukwu, I will get back to you. Chioma Gene was 71.
Iri asaa na otu.
Chioma kwusie ike, say it loud. Chioma kpọọ mụ tata. M gwara gị kpọọ m ụbọchị mgbe kpọọ gị m. I told you to call me. Call me Chioma. Okay?
Okay.
After class. Okay. Gịnị bụ 71, Chioma?
Iri asaa na otu.
Gịnị bụ 17? Chioma, gịnị bụ 17?
Iri na asaa.
Iri na asaa. Daalụ. Chioma, gịnị bụ 1,500,000? Think about it and put it together. Remember the formula. 1,500,000. $1,500,000. Okay, let me make it easier. Gịnị bụ 1,233. 1,233. Okay, 1,233, Chioma. See it on the screen there. 1,233. Come on, Chioma, you know it. Balea means try. What is it? We're not going to spend time doing numbers. This is something you are supposed to do on your own. Next week, we are going to do head to toe. Chioma, again, 1,233. What is 1,000, Chioma?
Puku.
Gene 200. Gene 100.
Narị.
Gene 200.
Narị na abụọ.
No, narị abụọ.
Narị abụọ.
Gene 30.
Iri.
What is 30? What is 30?
Iri abụọ. No,
No,
iri
30. You see,
iri
that's why I
atọ.
say you need to know iri atọ. You need to know your numbers. Gene 3.
Atọ.
Okay, let's put it together. Everybody, I hope you're paying attention. I'm not talking to Choma alone. I'm talking to everybody, but I want you to pay attention. I see Chiwatala's hand. Chiwatala. Choma, okay. 1,000 is what?
Puku.
Choma? Puku. Now, the preposition, what will you say? Puku? Choma,
Na.
come on. Na.
Na.
Then what is 200?
Narị abụọ.
Narị abụọ. Don't say narị. Narị.
Narị.
Narị abụọ. What is 30?
Iri atọ.
What will come before iri atọ?
Na iri atọ.
Na iri atọ. Good. And then what will come after iri atọ?
Na atọ.
Na atọ. You see how easy? You see that, Chioma?
Yes.
That's how you do it. You just put it together. It's just the same way you guys put it in English. The same way. Puku na narị abụọ na iri atọ na atọ. So if you're struggling, everybody break it down. But know where to put preposition, which is na. Something you use to join the words, okay? So you see how we did it? And Choma, isn't it simple? Isn't it easy?
Yeah.
There you go. So when you're struggling, don't look at the big number. Just break it down. Everybody, I'm talking to everybody, not just Chioma, okay? So all of you should learn to do this. All right? So now let me give a room for questions because we have 5 more minutes. Okay, Chiwetal or Ngozi. Inwera Ajojo. Don't forget to say your name and then ask a question. Enwere m ajụjụ. Aha m bụ enwere m ajụjụ. Chiwetara.
Aha m bụ Chiwetara.
Mhm. What is the next thing? Come on, what is the next thing? Enwere m ajụjụ. Aha. Okay.
My question is, on the top page, you said I was sitting.
Now, Chiwetara, wait. Chiwetara, wait. I want you to learn to say this. I want you to learn to say, everybody learn to say it. My question is, ajụjụ m bụ. See, that's a new thing you all need to learn to say, okay? Ajụjụ m bụ. It's simple. So, Chiwetara, can you say ajụjụ m bụ?
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Kwuo ya ọzọ. No. Kwuo ya ọzọ means say it again. Say ajụjụ m bụ again.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Okay, now it means my question is, okay, go ahead and ask the question.
At the top page,
Huh?
that I would be singing, the song like,
The Igbo song, right?
yeah, that one, that day, am I gonna sing the song that's all the way at the top, or do I just
what you like, just any Igbo song you want to sing. How about it? Anything you want to sing, you can pick your song. Okay? If you want to sing my own, I will also send it for anyone you want to sing. Any Igbo song.
okay.
Okay. Dalo. What do you say when I say Dalo? Imela.
Inela.
Ndewo. Okay. I see Arinze's hand. Arinze. Arinze, aka gị nọ n'elu. Okay. It looks like Arinze does not have any question. Oluchi. I see another hand up. Is that Oluchi? Oluchi ma Chinonso, kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay. Gịnị?
Aha m bụ Oluchi Madu. Enwere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ m bụ.
Awesome.
How do you pronounce the two U's in Igbo?
Okay, you mean the one with a dot and one without a dot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the one with a dot is O. Can you say that?
O.
No. O. Look at my mouth. See my mouth. If you don't shape your mouth like that, you won't get it. O.
O.
Now the one without a dot is U.
U.
Now sound two of them.
O. U.
There you go. All right. Is that all?
How do you pronounce the V?
The V is V. V.
V.
Yeah, V. Can you
Dalu.
say Imela? Dalo. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Do we have question? Now your homework, everybody. If you don't know your phrases we did last week, you need to know all of them and start using them in the house. You have to go back and learn it. Now your numbers is your homework. Know your numbers. Next week, I'm going to start asking questions. Okay? Don't forget, on third week, we're going to have head to toe. And after that, we're going to have a quiz. Everything we did. So I don't want you to be behind. Know your phrases, your alphabet. You have to know all of them. No excuse. Chinedu Obi nwere ajụjụ.
I have a question.
No. No, my name is, I have a question. My question is, these three things, you need to say them in Igbo. Ngwa, Chinedu.
Elizabeth Obi.
Mm-hmm. How do you say, I have a question? Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Huh? Now, go ahead.
My question is, how many numbers do we have to learn? Do we have to learn 1 to 100?
You need to know 1 to billion. Now, you see, I'm going to send it out, okay? So you see everything you need to learn. You learn 1 to 10 first. Know how to count your numbers. Not just counting them, but you need to know if I say, Chinedu Genebo 4, you tell me. Chinedu Genebo 8, you tell me. I don't want, when I say Chinedu Genebo 4, you say counting Otu, Abo, Ato, Ano. No, you need to be able to tell me what it is. So know your numbers 1 to 10 first. Then you know whole numbers. Okay? 20, 30, 40 to 100. 100, 1,000, 2,000, and then 1 million, 1 billion. Then you also need to learn your numbers like 11, 12, 13, Irina, Otu, Irina, Abo. So I will post everything you need to know, okay? Okay, Chinedu? All right. Okay, Zizi. Zizi nwere ajụjụ. Ngwa, go
Afọ
ahead.
m bụ dijitalụ ilu ụbọchị awere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ bụ I forgot what is the homework for today, head to toe.
It's gonna be no, it's gonna be your numbers.
No.
And if you don't know the phrases we did last week, you know all of them. Remember, I asked some people, what is welcome? What is to come? What is this? You need to know them if you don't know all of them already. But if you do, so you finish that one, know your numbers, because I will ask all of you questions next week. And then after that, we're going to have quiz. We're going to have quiz. Okay, know your numbers, your phrases, okay? Your vowels. Okay, and your alphabet. You need to know all this. But know your numbers. Don't learn head to toe. We're gonna do head to toe next week. Okay?
Okay.
All right, everybody. I see you. How do we say see you next time? How do we say? Know your numbers. All right, everybody. See you next week. Kalyo. Yay! Auntie Alana, give me a hand. Kalyo.